With the longest history and the fastest growth of all corporations in Korea, Doosan is changing the world. Doosan continuously innovates and reinvents itself with the infrastructure support business as its core focus and growth engine, which encompasses all aspects of building and maintaining the infrastructure of society. As a result, Doosan's infrastructure support business now represents 89% of the company's total revenue. And Doosan has achieved rapid growth over the last decade, with average annual growth rate of 18% in sales and 23% in operating profit. Doosan's global competitiveness keeps growing stronger through its acquisition of companies that possess world-class technology and technical capabilities. With 115 overseas branches around the world and 4,100 dealers in a network that spans 34 countries, Doosan boasts a truly global workforce and business network. Doosan's remarkable growth has been fueled by its belief in securing and nurturing global human resources, establishing a global network, and its philosophy, the growth of business through the growth of people, Doosan's 2G strategy. Now, let us show you the world of Doosan's infrastructure support business. Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction. Rapidly rising to become the global leader in power and water, Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction business groups consist of the following. The EPC business group that supplies power plants in one integrated process from plant engineering, construction to test runs. The Power Business Group that supplies essential power generation equipment such as boilers, turbines, HRSG, and green energy facilities including wind power. The Water Business Group, the world's leading provider of seawater desalination facilities that owns 3 major source technologies for MSF, MED, and RO. The Nuclear Power Plant Business Group that supplies core equipment for nuclear power generation to countries including the US, the UAE, and China, as well as many sites in South Korea. The Castings and Forgings Business Group that provides products for various industrial fields such as marine engine parts, power generation components, work rolls, and mold and tool steels. Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction is doing its best to make the world a better place for tomorrow through technology that enhances the value of Earth. Doosan Infracore. Doosan Infracore, who knows how to move the world, consists of the following. The Construction Equipment Business Group has a complete global business portfolio that includes Bobcat, the #1 leader of compact construction equipment market in the US and Europe. Doosan, the leading provider of excavators and wheel loaders in China. And Doosan Moxie, that provides a unique line of articulated dump trucks. The Machine Equipment Business Group consists of the Machine Tools Unit, one of the world's largest producers of machine tools. Its line of machining, turning, CNC boring, and surface sculpturing units has a large business network across North America, Europe, and Asia. The Engines and Materials Unit is quickly rising in the global ranking as a top provider of diesel and natural gas engines for construction equipment, generators, ships, and others. With its family of businesses, Doosan Infracore is taking powerful strides to reach the global top 3 position in each of its business areas. Doosan Engineering and Construction. Doosan Engineering and Construction, which has accumulated unparalleled know-how and technologies in civil works, construction, and plant projects, continues to lead the industry with Doosan Weave the Zenith in Haeundae, Korea's highest residential commercial complex with 80 floors and 300 meters high. The new Bundang Line Railway project, the first privately funded wide-area rail transit system in the capital district. Korean Train Express project, for which Doosan built the longest section. And global top-tier supply in the chemical process equipment market and steel bridges construction. Today, it is making endless endeavors to become the world's best. Doosan Engine. The specialty manufacturer of low and medium-speed diesel engines for land-borne power plants, in addition to propulsion and power generation in large marine vessels, and also a builder of diesel power plants all around the world. Doosan Engine creates engines that power the planet. Doosan Engine has a diesel engine manufacturing system with an annual production capacity of 14 million horsepower. And its demand flow manufacturing, as well as foolproof system, synchronizes manufacturing with quality assurance, an industry first. Doosan Engine is setting an example for developing high-efficiency, eco-friendly power plants by supplying a selective catalyst DeNOx system for Jeju internal combustion power plant, while leading the diesel power plant market by supplying backup diesel power generators to all of Korea's nuclear power plants. Doosan DST. Doosan DST, Korea's national defense specialist with cutting-edge technology, is striving to become the leader in the world market with outstanding products such as K-21 infantry fighting vehicle, Doosan Industrial Vehicle. Doosan Industrial Vehicle is a leading value forklift manufacturer offering engine-powered forklifts, electric trucks, and warehouse equipment with ever-expanding markets to become the global brand. Doosan Motrol. With over 40% of Korean market share, Doosan Motrol is a hydraulic equipment specialist that earned world-class product certification in driving motor category. Today, it is growing into a global parts company that extends beyond motion and control fields. Doosan Capital. Doosan Capital is a specialty credit finance company that ranks #1 in Korea's machinery installment financing area. Supporting the growth of Doosan's infrastructure support business, it is making unceasing efforts to grow into a global finance company. Neoplux. Neoplux is Doosan's consulting partner that provides services in corporate investments and value innovations, including venture capital, corporate M&A, and operational consulting. In addition to infrastructure support business, Doosan continues to improve the quality of life around the world through other various businesses. Doosan Electromaterials supplies high-quality copper-clad laminates to the world. Doosan Glownet, a leading trade firm dealing in cutting-edge biotech products and construction equipment leasing. Doosan Bears, the 3-time champion in Korean Major League Baseball. Doosan Donga plays an important role in the advancement of Korean education. Oricom, a top Korean advertising company with 40 years of history. Doosan Cuvex, best known for its multi-leisure complex, La Dena Resort. Doosan's various businesses have been the foundation of success in expanding its business to a wide range of customers around the world. Founded in 1896 as Korea's first modern corporation, Doosan, the oldest yet the fastest changing corporation in Korea, has once again demonstrated the commitment to responsible corporate leadership by recreating itself into a holding company. Beyond its corporate boundaries, Doosan is doing its best to fulfill social responsibility and obligation to the communities in which Doosan operates, as well as to the world at large. Each year, Doosan provides significant financial support to academic studies, education, pro-environmental activities, international culture exchange projects, and talent development through its involvement in the Yeongang Foundation and the Jungang University Foundation. A rapidly changing, constantly growing corporation that strives to make tomorrow better than yesterday. Doosan. With its corporate values clearly focused on people, Doosan will strive to realize the growth of its business through the growth of its people. Building your tomorrow today.